Crete, the largest and most diverse Greek island, is a captivating destination that offers a tapestry of history, culture, stunning landscapes, and Mediterranean charm. Known for its archaeological treasures, pristine beaches, and vibrant local traditions, Crete invites travelers to immerse themselves in its rich heritage, explore its natural wonders, and experience the warmth of its people. The heart of Crete's allure lies in its archaeological sites that span thousands of years of civilization. The Palace of Knossos, a sprawling ancient complex associated with the Minoan civilization, showcases colorful frescoes, intricate architecture, and a glimpse into a sophisticated Bronze Age society. The Archaeological Museum of Heraklion houses an impressive collection of Minoan artifacts, providing insights into the island's early history. Crete's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. The Samaria Gorge, one of the longest in Europe, offers a challenging yet rewarding hike through rugged terrain and stunning vistas. The beaches of Elefthenisai, Belos, and Preveli showcase crystal-clear waters and unique landscapes, from pink-hued sands to lagoons and palm trees. The White Mountains and the Lassithi Plateau provide opportunities for exploration and outdoor activities. The island's local culture is celebrated through its traditional villages, festivals, and authentic experiences. Chania, a picturesque harbor town, features a charming old town with Venetian architecture, lively markets, and waterfront dining. Rethymno's labyrinthine alleys and Fortezza Fortress offer a glimpse into the island's past. The village of Marguerites is renowned for its pottery workshops, where visitors can witness the age-old craft of ceramic making. Crete's culinary scene is a highlight, offering a rich tapestry of flavors and traditional dishes. Dakos, a local salad made with barley rusks, tomatoes, and feta cheese, is a staple. The island's olive oil, cheeses, and fresh seafood can be savored in tavernas and local eateries. Crete's festivals, including the celebration of Easter, showcase traditional music, dance, and local customs. The island's vibrant lifestyle extends to its nightlife, with beach bars, clubs, and live music venues. Crete's local products, from olive oil to wine, can be sampled and enjoyed in picturesque vineyards and olive groves. Crete is a destination that offers a multifaceted experience. Whether you're exploring its archaeological wonders, relaxing on its pristine beaches, indulging in its culinary delights, or immersing yourself in its local culture, Crete promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Greek island life, the echoes of ancient civilizations, and the timeless allure of a place that has preserved its traditions while embracing its modernity.